Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Craigslist screening workflow for property inquiries. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Craigslist account. Navigate to the Post to Classified section. Select the appropriate property category for your listing. Fill out the required fields for your property, including the title, location, and description. Scroll down to the section titled Contact Information. Choose the option to display your email address or use the Craigslist email relay feature for privacy. Under the posting options, find the screening settings. Select the Ask for Phone Verification option. This will require potential renters or buyers to verify their phone number before contacting you. Next, set up a series of predefined questions for screening responses. Examples include, what is your desired move-in date, and do you have pets? Enable the option to filter inquiries based on these screening questions. Make sure to set up automatic replies for inquiries that meet your criteria. These replies can thank the inquirer and provide additional property details. Review all your settings to ensure they meet your requirements. Once confirmed, hit the Publish button to post your listing. Monitor responses closely after your listing goes live. Adjust your screening questions as necessary based on the inquiries you receive. Keep your workflow updated to ensure it remains effective for future listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.